Hi and welcome back. In this video, I will share 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make and tips to avoid them if you're just starting out on YouTube. If we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Petra and I help coaches and experts to grow their online businesses utilizing organic YouTube strategies. So if that sounds interesting, consider subscribing. Also, make sure to download my free guide with even more tips and tricks on growing from 0 to 1,000 subscribers. You can click the link in the top right corner or you can find it in the description below. All right, let's dive in. Mistake number 1, posting random content. I started my YouTube channel wanting to help others to avoid the same mistakes that I did when I moved abroad. So I started out talking about culture shock, culture differences, and so on. And guess what? I've seen 0 to very little growth. Only after I niched down to tips for people who want to move to Austria, that's when I started to grow. Logically, people who want to move to Austria might not be so keen on watching videos on how to move to Germany. As simple as that. Lesson learned? Get clear on who you want to reach on YouTube and create content around what they want to hear and not what you feel like posting. I talked more about finding a niche in my latest video, so make sure to check it out as well. Mistake number 2, copying other YouTubers. Oh my, so this is a good one. Since my channel wasn't growing at all in the beginning, what do? I look what other YouTubers are doing, right? Makes sense. The problem was that I ended up copying their style. So I ended up posting funny sketches and vlogs, and I mean, it was not my style whatsoever. Listen to your body and treat it with the utmost respect. Like your avocado. I love you, avocado. You make my smoothie so very special. Lesson learned? You don't have to be funny or share your entire life with the whole world in order to be successful on YouTube. Quite the opposite. As a business owner, you want to position yourself as an expert in your niche and be found by your ideal customers. So you want to grow fast on YouTube as a coach or an expert? Create educational videos and tutorials instead. Mistake number 3, getting distracted by shiny objects. Okay, so in the beginning, I'm not growing, so what do? I compare myself with other YouTubers who are successful on YouTube, and then they are. All the animations and professional editing and lighting and everything. So what do? I start posting animations as well, and I spend hours looking up editing tips and so on. Did it solve my problem? Nope. If you don't have a strategy, you can have the most beautiful animations in the world and it's not gonna help you. So lesson learned? Focus on providing value to your ideal viewer instead of focusing on the quality of your videos. Mistake number 4, ignoring SEO, so search engine optimization. In the beginning, I didn't pay attention to neither headlines, tags, descriptions whatsoever, which means that even if I created a great piece of content, it simply flopped. It wasn't found by my ideal customers. It was simply there in the sea of all the YouTube content not being found by anyone. And now I'm getting a little bit dramatic, but I think you get my point. But honestly, this is the last thing you want, putting effort into creating beautiful, valuable content and letting it flop. So I currently use TubeBuddy for searching keywords and I would highly recommend for you to do so too. You can find the link in the description as well. Mistake number 5, not having an end goal. I've been posting consistently for 1.5 years without having any product or end goal in mind whatsoever. I know, all the potential wasted. But ideally, if you are starting on YouTube, you start with an offering in mind, a product that you want to promote on YouTube, and then you create a freebie, which again reminds me that you should definitely download my newest freebie, 0 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. This way you can grow your email list and convert your viewers into paying customers. So there you go, 5 mistakes that new YouTubers make and tips to avoid them. Now I would love to hear from you. What are your questions around YouTube and online business? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't done so yet, download my free guide, 0 to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You will find the link in the description below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week. Thanks so much for watching and I will catch you in the next video.